Metal molding. Applications and types. This video will take an in-depth look at metal molding, interchangeably known as metal molding. You will learn more about topics such as principle of metal molding, architectural metal moldings, decorative metal moldings, types of roll-formed and metal-molded parts, applications of roll-formed metal moldings, and much more. Chapter 1. What is the principle of metal molding? Understanding metal moldings and roll forming. Difference between metal molding and metal injection molding. Process: metal molding. Metal injection molding. Materials: tolerance and complexity. Cost and production volume. Post-processing. Chapter 2. What are architectural metal moldings? How roll-formed metal moldings are made. Use of drawbench machine in roll forming. If you are sourcing architectural metal moldings for your project, it's important to consider the following. Material selection. Profile customization. Surface treatments. Supplier reputation. Chapter 3. What are decorative metal moldings? Categories of decorative metal moldings. Rusted steel. Sublimation. Bronze and copper. Galvanized steel. Stainless steel. Considerations of metal molding design. Metal molding shape. Metal molding size. Dimensional tolerance. Surface finish. Frequently asked questions. What is roll forming in metal molding? How do architectural metal moldings enhance building projects? What are the main differences between metal molding and metal injection molding? Which metals are commonly used for decorative moldings? What factors should be considered when designing metal moldings? How can construction projects source custom architectural metal moldings? Chapter 4. What are the types of roll-formed and metal-molded parts? Various types of roll-formed and metal-molded parts include metal channels, brass, stainless, aluminum, and steel channels. Types of metal channels. Channels encompasses a wide range of metal profiles with different shapes, but the most common types of channels are typically categorized as follows. Profiles, sections, shapes, and metal moldings. How profiles, sections, shapes, and metal moldings are made. V-shapes, angles, and angle irons. Roll-formed tubing, rectangular, square, round, and special shapes. Additional examples include stiffener plates, headlamp bezel, open seam tubes, lock joint and lock seam tubes, finned and flange seam tubes, hem seam tubes, split seam tubing, flexible duct, round, corrugated, and spiral tubing. Chapter 5. What are the applications of roll-formed metal moldings? Applications of roll-formed metal moldings. Metal channels, brass, stainless steel, aluminum, and steel channels applications. Channels are utilized across nearly every industry, with various terms for different types, such as V-shapes, angles, and angle irons. Additional uses include open seam tubes applications. Open seam tubes are frequently employed for lock joint and lock seam tubes. Applications of lock joints and lock seams include framing for signs, displays, architectural detailing, shelving and racking systems, fences and railings, decorative trim and molding, prefabricated buildings and structures. Retaining walls. Signposts and framing. Chapter 6. What are the benefits of roll-formed metal moldings? Key benefits include cost efficiency, consistency, design flexibility, high production speed, material versatility, long lengths, minimal tooling changes, surface finish options, strength and durability, green benefits, cost-effective tooling, reduced post-processing, reduced material stress, conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right metal molding manufacturer for your needs.